Hello, Karina. Good evening. Good evening. What time is it now? It's 3 o'clock now. What day is it today, Karina? Today is Thursday. What is the date today? It is 15th of May. What season is it? It's going to rain, Elsa. Okay, thank you, Karina. Okay, you're welcome, Elsa. What are you doing, Giselle? Oh, Elsa, I'm reading a report. I've been working on it all morning. Have you finished the research? Not yet, but I'm making good progress. You have been working hard on this project, haven't you? Yes, I have ever been putting in extra hours to get it done.